A very good morning to all. My name is D. Monia Begum. I am currently pursuing BTech second year in Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology, and my branch is ECE, and my roll number is 23401A0476, and my topic is show interconnectedness and mutual fulfillment in four orders of nature with examples. Subject name Universal Human Values. Subject code 23UHV01. Show interconnectedness and mutual fulfillment in four orders of nature with examples. Nature అనేది collection of four units అంటే four orders. All units are characterized into four orders: bio order, animal order, plant order, and human order. Bio order means plants and trees. Animal order means animals, birds. Human order means only human beings. Physical order means soil and metal. Introduction to interconnectedness. Interconnectedness refers to the relationships and dependence among the various elements in nature. Recognizing these connections helps understand ecosystems and balance of life. This presentation will explore mutual fulfillment in our four orders of nature: plant, animal, and human. Physical order: soil, metals, etc. Bio order: trees, plants, etc. Animal order: animals, birds, etc. Human order: human beings. This is a relationship of mutual fulfillment among these four orders. The first three orders are mutually fulfilling each other. ప్లాంట్ ఆర్డర్, ఫిజికల్ ఆర్డర్, బయో ఆర్డర్, అనిమల్ ఆర్డర్ ఒకరికొకరు హెల్ప్ చేసుకుంటా నేచర్లోనే సర్వైవ్ అవుతున్నాయి అన్నమాట. దే ఆర్ ఫుల్ఫిల్లింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ ఆల్సో. హ్యూమన్స్ కూడా చాలా హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్నాయి. ప్లాంట్ ఆర్డర్ ఏమో ఫుడ్కి, బయో ఆర్డర్ ఏమో ప్లాంట్ అండ్ ట్రీస్ ఫుడ్కి, ఫిజికల్ ఆర్డర్ ఏమో ఎయిర్కి, సాయిల్కి, అనిమల్ ఆర్డర్ ఏమో కూడా ఒక ఫుడ్కి హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్నాయి. ఈజ్ న్యాచురలీ యాక్సెప్టబుల్ ఆఫ్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ టు బి fulfilling for all three orders. The role of human beings to realize the mutual fulfillment for their human orders to need these. To understand the mutual fulfillment harmony inherent in nature, we, we do not have to create it. To live accordingly, then the mutual fulfillment among these four orders will be realized. Ensure the enrichment, protection, and right realization of the rest of nature. And there is a provision in nature for living with mutual fulfillment. Harmony in nature. Quantity of four units in these orders: physical order, plant, animal, and human. Quantity as per overall enrichment, whole and available of sustaining resources. Dependence of each order in previous order. Survival of human order is dependent on all three orders. The role of human being is to ensure the enrichment and protection. Plant order: pollination and growth. Many plants rely on specific animal species for pollination, which is essential for the reproduction. In return, these plants provide food and habitat for the pollinators and creating an interdependent relationship. This mutual fulfillment promotes biodiversity and sustains ecosystems. Animal order: prey relationships and vital for maintaining population balance within ecosystem. Predators help control the population of herbivore, preventing overgrazing and promoting plant health. The balance enhances the biodiversity and promotes overall ecosystem stability. Plant order: mutualizing among the species. Various animal species engage in the mutualizing relationship that benefit both parties involved. For example, oxpeckers feed on parasites found in the large mammals while providing the cleanest services. These interactions support the health of both the mammals and the birds, illustrating the interconnectedness. Now the human being fulfilling the other three orders. There is a big question. Human being not only unfulfilling for the all three orders, rather it is a dominating and exploiting them to extent of global warming or climatic change. హ్యూమన్ అనేది ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అనేది మైండ్లో రైట్ చేసుకోవాలి. మనం ఈ త్రీ ఆర్డర్స్కి ఏమైనా ఫుల్ఫిల్ చేసినాయా? ఆ త్రీ ఆర్డర్స్ మనకి ఫుడ్, ఎయిర్ అన్నీ ఇస్తున్నాయి. కానీ మనం ఈ 3 ఆర్డర్స్కి ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? ఒక పొల్యూషన్ తప్ప. హ్యూమన్ ఆర్డర్, అగ్రికల్చర్ అండ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్. Sustainable agriculture practices enhance the soil health when in turn supportive diverse crops. By implementing crop rotation and organic farming, humans can promote ecosystems that benefit wildlife. This connection emphasizes the importance of responsible resource management of future generations. Human order, community and ecosystem and health. Human communities then arrive, they engage in the practices that protect natural ecosystems. Initiatives such as community gardens foster biodiversity and fresh produce for locals. This relationship illustrates the interconnectedness of human well-being and environmental health. Conclusion and reflection. This interconnectedness among the four orders of nature is essential for the sustainability of life. Understanding these relationships fosters respect for nature and encourages the responsible stewardship. Emphasizing mutual fulfillment can lead to the healthier ecosystems and communities for future generations. Thank you.